chocolatey center.
It's perfect every time.
Get ready for a treat that can't be beat. Try the new Drumstick Slurpee today.
Got that drumstick feeling? Taking off right now.
So magical, so delicious. It's the new Nestle Drumstick.
I love the sprinkles.
Look at that smile.
Isn't this just grand?
Absolutely marvelous.
Look, it's the ice cream truck.
Let's go get some drumsticks.
Feel the crunch, taste the fun. Grab a drumstick, everyone.
Now all dressed up, the newest taste treat in town.
In the liquiverters, we combine the oils before the mixture is vigorously churned, rapidly aerating into this smooth, frothy texture. To stabilize the mixture, we add the emulsifier, ensuring a smooth texture. This is the heart of the pasteurization area, where our product is heated to precisely 172 degrees Fahrenheit.
From precise swirling to large-scale production, quality control is maintained at every step. The automated system ensures a consistent flow of our signature ice cream base before the churning process begins.
Look at you. You look so serious about that cone.
I'm just analyzing the structural integrity of the chocolate shell here.
That satisfying crunch, nothing beats a drumstick.
The rapid cooling process is essential for the perfect texture, as we bring the temperature down to 30 degrees Fahrenheit.
The chocolate coating seems a bit thin on this sample.
Let me check the peanut distribution on the next one.
Are you ready for the ultimate crunch? Check out the new loaded drumstick.